Hi everyone, my name is Jess and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm so excited to share with you 3 DIY cute crop top from the old t-shirt. The first DIY is Ruffle hem crop top. From the shoulder of the t-shirt, I go down 30 cm and draw a line. Then cutting by the drawing line. After that, I draw a V line from two sides of the neck to the middle of the end. At the end, I go up 5 cm and mark there, then drawing a curved line from the mark down to the end. And cutting by the drawing line. At the leftover of the t-shirt, I'm cutting 2 rectangles with 14 cm width. Then I'm connecting them together at one side. After that, I'm making a stitching at one edge of the rectangle to create the ruffle. Then I connect the ruffle to the end of the top. I'm connecting at 2 sides first, then connecting the rest later. I use the pins to hold them together before sewing. Now I'm folding the end of the ruffle and 2 sides of the V-neck to inside to hide the cutting, then sewing. I use the end of the t-shirt to create the ties for the crop top. It had the current sewing already, so I just need to cut them nicely. Then I sew a curved seam at one side to make the ties. After sewing, I use a long stick to upside the ties. I'm connecting the ties at the end of the V-neck where it makes the ruffle. Then sewing. And we finished this DIY. Here's my final result. It's such a cute but sexy crop top, and it's so easy to make it from your old t-shirt in less than 30 minutes. The second DIY is ruffle of the shoulder crop top. First step, I'm drawing a line under the neck at the middle of the hands, then cutting from the hand to the drawing line. From the top, I go down 23 cm and drawing a line to create the main body of the crop top. After that, I'm overlocking to protect my cutting. At two sides of the hands, I fold the fabric to inside to hide the cutting. I use the bins to hold my folding, then sewing. At the end of the t-shirt, I'm making two rectangles with 14 cm width. Then I'm connecting two rectangles together at two sides to become a circle. After sewing, I fold one edge of the circle to inside to hide the cutting before sewing. Then I connect the circle to the main body of the crop top. Make sure two sides of the circle have to be equal. I use the bins to fix the circle to the top of the main body, then sewing. After that, I use the elastic band to create the ruffle for the top. I measure the width of the elastic band to know how long of the length I need to fold in. When sewing, give a small unsewn fabric to put the elastic band to inside later. I use the safety pins to put the elastic band to inside the fabric hole. Then sewing two ends of the elastic band together after that and close the fabric hole. To the end of the crop top, I'm doing the same like what I did to the top by using the elastic band to make it fit to my body when wearing. And we finished the DIY. Here my final transformation. This crop top is not only cute but also easy to make with the pants or the skirt. And isn't it easy to make from your old t-shirt? The last DIY is Smocked crop top with the tie up. With this DIY, use the bigger t-shirt than your size. First step, I'm drawing a line with 34 cm from the end of the t-shirt. It will be the main body of the crop top. You can make it shorter or longer if you want. After overlocking, I'm fold the top to inside to hide my cutting, then sewing. From the top, I go down 2 cm and drawing a line there. From there, I'm drawing other lines with 1 cm away each other. They will be the lines to show the shading later. I use small elastic band for the bottom seam to create the shirring. To make the ties, I use the leftover fabric from the top of the t-shirt. I'm drawing 4 rectangles with 8 cm width. Then I fold the rectangle in half by the wing, then sewing. Remember to make a curved seam at one end of the ties. After that, I use a stick to upside the ties. Then I fix the ties to the main body of the crop top at 2 sides of the hands. And we finished this DIY. Here is my final result. It's a super easy DIY, but the outcome is just so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel to see my other videos. See you next week!